Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ShapeShift, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the ShapeShift website URL in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the ShapeShift homepage. On the homepage, look for the login button. Click the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login screen. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. Ensure that both the email and password are correctly entered. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if necessary. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. After a moment, you should be logged into your ShapeShift account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. If you're using a two-factor authentication app, enter the code when prompted. Once authenticated, you'll gain full access to your account. You're now ready to start trading and using the platform features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.